Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 remote positions that are hiring now. So let's get right into it. The first company we're looking at is National Philanthropic Trust, and they are looking for a seasonal donor administrative associate. So let's scroll down and see more about this position. Become a part of the NPT team. NPT is a public charity dedicated to providing philanthropic expertise to donors, foundations, and financial institutions, enabling them to realize their aspirations. I won't read this whole thing. We'll get down to the position, but I will pause so you can. So, what will you do? The donor administration seasonal associate will be responsible for ensuring superior service to donors and their advisors regarding donor advised funds and supporting organizations. This position is responsible for the accurate and timely management of the daily activities related to account openings and contribution transactions. This is full-time seasonal. It's a 40-hour work week, Monday through Friday, but NPT will request some flexibility during our busy season of November to December. Options start at August, September, October, and the intended completion date is sometime in January. This position offers a pay rate of $20 per hour and is fully remote. So you have the option to start in any of these months. Let's look at the duties. You'll open new accounts and verify that all data is complete and accurate, review contribution agreements, process account updates, update, edit, correct critical data in the system as necessary, process cash and security contributions into DAF accounts, assist the donor administration director as needed with special assignments and projects, other duties as assigned. What you'll bring. So basically, these are the requirements: solid organizational and time management skills, capable of multitasking, excellent verbal writing and grammar and proofreading skills, problem solving, both a team player and capable of independent work, detail oriented, highly organized, and the ability to multitask. Must possess unquestioned personal integrity and reliability, of course, because you're going to be working around a lot of money. Experience with database and processing work, success in meeting deadlines, reliable access to the internet. Education and experience, 2-year degree or equivalent experience. So they are flexible. You don't need a 2-year degree. If you can string together any of this experience, within your lifetime and it adds up to 2 years, I'm pretty sure they'll give you a go. Physical requirements, prolonged periods of sitting at a desk and working on a computer. And that's pretty much that position. The second company we're looking at is Work It Health, and they are looking for a medical assistant. So let's look at the overview of the position. It's full-time, it's hourly. You can work 4 10-hour shifts with Tuesdays or Wednesdays off. The hours are 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern. The rate is between $20 and $21 an hour, and it is remote. Here's the background of the company. I will not read it to you. I will pause so you can read it. Let's look at the job summary. The core responsibilities. You'll be communicating and providing support to members over chat, email, and phone using exceptional customer service, relaying member needs to the provider, corresponding with pharmacies, and completing prior authorizations to resolve prescription issues. Maintaining strict confidentiality when handling member information in compliance with Work It Health, HIPAA, and 42 CFR Part 2 guidelines. Learn and maintain knowledge of our EHR product and communication platforms and demonstrate empathy, compassion, and respect for our members. Qualifications: passionate about providing stellar internal and external customer service, strong analytical ability, 1 or more years of healthcare experience, and knowledge of medical terminology is preferred, not required. So there's no minimum qualifications for that part. Comfortable asking for support, help, and guidance as needed. So essentially, there are no minimum qualifications for this position, no minimum requirements. It's entry level. You can hit the ground running. Here's the benefit package right here. I won't read it to you. And again, this is workithealth.com. The third company we're looking at is Foundever, and they are hiring for a chat and phone customer support seasonal agent. It is a remote position, any location in the US of A. Why Foundever? Here's their background. I will not read it to you. I will stop and pause so you can read it. Now, work with us and you'll enjoy working from home. Computer equipment provided. All you need is a monitor, a full-time schedule, flexibility as a seasonal role with the opportunity to become permanent. It's $14 an hour and incentive opportunities, hands-on, 100% paid training, internal mobility, a lot of growth there, employee discounts, referral bonuses, ever better wellness program. But you must live in the United States. The responsibilities: provide basic technical support via phone or chat, deliver an exceptional support experience, interact and communicate effectively with a variety of customers, provide a memorable and delightful experience. Qualifications: flexible to the needs of the business, must have a high school diploma or GED, and you must be 18 years old. Here's the equipment requirements. Again, you just need a monitor, and that's Foundever. The fourth and final company we're looking at is a company called Davies, and they are looking for a premium audit coordinator. It is clerical in nature, it's remote, and you have to be in the United States. The salary range is $14 an hour to $16 an hour. Here's the background on Davies. I will not read that to you. I will pause so you can read it. Now let's scroll down. Let's look at the job overview. Davies Risk Services is looking for an experienced premium audit coordinator for the phone audit practice group who will work directly with the branch team to provide assistant functions to our field representatives. So you're an assistant. You will be an assistant. You will report to the branch manager. You will perform a variety of tasks related to the preparation of reports and appointments. You will also spend time completing inbound calls with insurers and audit representatives to encourage the appropriate preparation for upcoming premium audits. Now, the responsibilities. You'll act as a liaison between the phone audit manager and phone auditors to facilitate the flow of work. High call volume, averaging 8 to 12 calls per hour during business hours. I'm assuming you'll be answering those. It's not really clear there. Assists with determining needs, scheduling, pending, and closing audits, communicates audit needs to the insurer to help ensure information is prepared for the phone auditor, maintains and updates contact notes on each assigned job in Awesome. AUSUM. Oh, different. Makes calls to check on status of information, including insurance agent calls, handles all calls in a professional and welcoming manner, attaches information and adds progress notes, assigns audits to phone auditors once information is received, and other duties as assigned. Experience and qualifications required: professional phone, chat, and email communication, high school diploma, excellent computer skills, and a commitment to providing excellent customer service. So, those required qualifications are reachable for pretty much anyone. This is an entry level position.